How to fix Facebook Messenger messages not sending. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. So if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you can do is try to check if your internet connection is stable. You can check that by using all the applications and try to check if they work or not. If they do work and it is only the Messenger app that is having the issue, then what you can do is try to clear the app cache of the Messenger application. Just tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. And then once you're inside of this option, head over to storage. Just tap on the clear cache option. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload the application of Messenger. Once you complete this step, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can do is look for new updates available on the Messenger platform. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Messenger. If you do see new updates available, just tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, once you tried all of these steps and you're still having issues sending messages on your Messenger, what you can do is try to open up Facebook using your desktop or using your browser. So search for facebook.com, try to log in and try to see if you can send messages there or not. If you're having issues there as well, then likely it is the issue of Facebook. You just need to wait out a couple of minutes before the issue is automatically fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.